Can you see me? Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello. Hi friends. Oh my god, did you miss me? Because I missed you so much. Hi. Hello. Hello. It's been forever. It's been a couple months. Yeah, it's been a couple months. It's been a few months. No, it's been a couple. No, it's been some time. Back in my creative mode. I needed to take a break. I had a lot going on and I'm back and I'm ready to start creating again. Today is January 3rd, 2026. Happy motherfucking New Year. So I kind of wanted to do a unget ready with me. Oh, by the way, I'm in a new spot. I have moved and I'm really happy here, and I didn't think I was going to be happy, and I didn't think I was going to really like the area, but I end up actually really liking the area. And so yeah, I've been here for about a month. I've been here for about a month, and a little over a month actually, and I am really liking it. I'm really liking the charm. Creative juices are going, you know what I mean? Like, they're going. So let's get into the video. And this might be the most I'm talking. I say that, but you know, we'll see.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, I'll see you in the restroom. Bye. I'm having so many issues like with my car tripod. Anyways, good morning. The sun is beaming on me. Happy Sunday morning. I am off to start my day. I haven't eaten anything other than drinking my coffee. I am gonna run some errands. The first errand, which is the most important errand, my grandpa is currently in the hospital and I need to go see him. I've been going to see him pretty much every day, so I'm gonna go see him and spend a few hours with him. I will see, like, I don't know what's going on. Like, it's gonna have to just be like that for a little bit. Hold on. Okay, so I'm not gonna take you guys inside the hospital with me. I might film like a little bit of just like my POV, like what I'm doing, but we'll see. Like, I just want to be in the moment. I don't want to you know, do anything. But I packed me a little snack, I packed me a book.
Turn left, then take the first.
So I have to remind myself to stop at the mailbox, and I know I probably could do it now, but I just don't feel like getting out of the car again. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive there. It's about a 20-minute drive, and yeah, I will see you guys in a bit. Bye. Okay, we are back in the car. I just left my grandpa. I was there for almost 3 hours and got to speak with his doctors and everything. He's doing well. He should be able to come home today. I am
Some people who maybe haven't gone through it, or
okay. I am, God, I gotta pee and I didn't pee in there. I don't know, so they were cleaning the restrooms and I just need to take a really long piss. I kind of want to hit up a thrift store just to kind of look, and I don't know, we'll see, because I'm looking for some pieces for the apartment. So I'll go ahead and check back in with you guys in a little bit and we'll catch up then. Bye. I look like I've had a day. Okay, so I just got here to Goodwill that is right next to my mom's. I normally come to this Goodwill because it's always like a hit or a miss, but I want to see if I just kind of want to see if I find anything I like. So just kind of browsing. There's things that I need, but I just want to see if it's going to be a score or not. But I do want to get some glassware if I can find some really good ones. So let's go in and see. They have endless glass. These are cute. Those right there, definitely stocked up. Maybe I'll get like a mug or something. I did find these right here. Okay, we just got back in the car. It is so packed. I couldn't really film in there because like it was packed, and I didn't want to like make anybody uncomfortable because they were like in the same aisles. When I tell you, like, I was having to be like, excuse me. Like, today was a good day. I actually got quite more than what I had planned on, and then I'll do a little haul when I get home. I really wanted to browse a little bit more, but I know if I browsed more, I was gonna grab more. And I look like a beat up bitch right now. I feel like today was a success. Let's go home and take the dogs out, relax. I still need to finish a project that I'm working on, and then I'll do the try on haul, and then I gotta get ready because I am going out on a date. phone died, so I got you back on my camera. Okay, so I can't remember where I left off, but basically I got these two little guys. These were $2.99 and they're candle holders, so I'll find a place for them and to call their home, and I think I know where I want to put them, but yeah, so I will cleanse the energy it has, and this will be their new home. Okay, so let's get into the clothes. Oh shit, I forgot. And I spent a total of $37 for everything I'm about to show you. I have, this one was $2.99 as well. It's got a little chip right here, which is fine, but I want to spray paint it and like a really pretty color, or maybe gold, and just have it on my, make like a money bowl for the year. So yeah, this is really, I feel like this is gonna be perfect. So got that. I found this really pretty dress. For this one was $10. This was the most expensive thing. It's a really nice material, like kind of not satin, but it's got a lining in it as well. But I think I might have to still wear something like Spanx or something. But it's got a zipper on the back, but I just really liked the detailing of it, like the lace kind of detailing of it, and it just looks really feminine, and I want to start wearing dresses while I'm at home. Just really want to just get dressed more. As you know, like, or you don't know, I work from home, so sometimes I just roll out of bed and I'm like that all day, and I just don't feel I don't feel productive at all. So I really want to embrace my feminine energy this year. And yeah, so hopefully this fits, because I would love to wear this tomorrow. I'm gonna wash it and hopefully I can wear it tomorrow and it fits. I got me a really cute slip, but honestly you could wear this out. This would be really cute with a nice like long shawl or something. Like, I really like this, and it was $2.99, and I really just like this color. Like, I really love it. Like, this was such a good find. There's no stains or anything like that, and it's a large because I wanted it to not be so like tight to my skin, but you know, still kind of shows my figure. And then I've been looking for a robe, like a silk robe, and I was thinking of just like going to like Marshall's and buying one, but I found one for $5.99. It didn't have the rope. It didn't have the rope to tie it, but it does have the inside ties, so that's fine. But I just really like this color. It's almost like not a chocolate brown, but like with a hint of copper. I don't know, I feel like the camera's not doing it justice because it looks red on camera, but it's not red. It's got like a brown copper undertone. This one did come with a robe. This one is not silk, but I just like this pattern. It's by Milkmaid Goods. I don't know, I'll have to look that one up. This one did come with the rope to go with it. And what size is this? This one was $5.99 too. This is a large. I really didn't need a large, but that's okay. This one does come with the robe, but it's long. I love a long robe, and it's just one of those, like, you can get out and have your tea in. I know it doesn't look like anything special, but I just really liked it. Okay, so that was my haul. I'm gonna watch a little bit of YouTube and do my little DIY, which I'm doing. Let me show you. So I have this coat rack that I am currently refurbishing, and this is the color I want it to be. But then I was like, what if I put like light pink stripes on it, almost like, think of like Victoria's Secret, like the stripes. And I want to put this in my room and hang my purses on it. and I just realized I forgot to go to the mailbox to check my mail. So we'll have to do that before we leave. Remind me, please. Remind me. That's y'all's job to remind me to go check the mail. So yeah, let's go ahead and get comfy for about an hour before we leave. And I need to refresh. I'm not sure if I want to like change or what I want to do. Probably not. I don't really feel like it, but I do need to do something with this hair. Yeah. Okay.
Hobbies. Told from her sister's perspective, find out. Piece puzzle, but it is done, and I'm very interested.
Okay, so don't judge her. This is the first coat. I noticed that like I just kind of freehanded the sizes, but I feel like I just need to like really sharpen where it bled, but it's not too bad. Like it's cute. I really like it. I'm gonna let her dry. I'm gonna finish my video and I'll see you guys whenever I'm about to leave. Bye. All right, I am back home. We went to Dave & Buster's, as you can tell, and we got some cool, we ended up getting like 8,000 tickets. Let me show you exactly what we got. We're about to do karaoke. Look, okay. And so he got like a little phone charger, and I thought this was really funny. I didn't know that he was gonna get it, but it's a toilet flashlight, like nightlight. I got a karaoke microphone that we're about to do. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed my Sunday little vlog. If you want to see more, or you want me to have like multiple days in it, let me know and I will do that for you. So until next time, friends, I'll see you later. Bye.